Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap coins instantly using MEXC Convert on the web version. So let me zoom in because it takes a very small to read. Anyway, so first of all, MEXC lets you convert exchange. Convert MEXC Convert lets you exchange crypto with no order books, no fees, and no slippage. Just a few clicks and it's done. So to get started, go to the top menu and click on Spot and then choose Convert and from the drop down. Now choose the tokens you want to uh, swap. For this example, we'll convert USDT to MX. Enter the amount and then click Preview Conversion. Now a live exchange rate will be locked for 8 seconds. Click Convert before the time ends to confirm the swap. Now, if the rate changes and the swap fails, no worries, just hit the refresh code and try again. Now, to review your swap history, just go to Orders on the top section and Orders, click Convert Orders, and MEXC Convert works for like many crypto pairs. And you will see all your orders here. Just select what you need and swap with zero hassle. Simple, fast, and free. So that's all there is to it. And I'll see you in the next video.